Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you how to put applications on full screen. So if you have a window opened on your desktop, you can put it on full screen using three different methods. The first one is double tapping the top bar of a window like this, and then double tapping it to demaximize it. You can also tap on this button right here to do the same thing. Also, if you roll your mouse pointer right here, then you'll be able to select the position for this window if you want. If you don't want it to put it on the full screen, but just make it take the side of your screen, basically any side that you want. And the last option is grabbing the top bar of your window and dragging it to the top of the screen like this, and then just releasing it. This will put your window on a full screen too. And you can basically grab it again and drag it down, and this way you will demaximize it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.